That looks really good. They have three kinds of dips. This is dark chocolate, they have white, Oreo, and something orange. Really good. This is Cocoa, shooting location of Mellow Movie with Che Woo-shik, who happens to be my co-star in A Killer Paradox. Episode 8. The scene that was shot here was also episode 8.